If you are even a little conscious about your loved ones and are active in the gym or any other kind of sports activity, then you must have been advised at one time or the other to consume fish oil. Now, some may have accepted this, but some, you may have ignored it. But do you really know about the benefits of eating fish oil? And do you know that its overdose can also be dangerous for you? Well, if you do not know much about fish oil, so stay with us till the end of the video, because today we will tell you, along with its advantages and disadvantages, how fish oil capsules are prepared in the factory. So let's start today's video. We do not get the oil in any plastic bottle or packet, like mustard or find oil, in the ghee shop. We get it in the capsule shop, only in a few selected shops. Now, as the name suggests, it contains fish oil. If it is used, it is made from fish. It contains Nokia 340 AP, i.e. icanoic acid, and D, i.e. D-cozic cyanoic acid, which is very beneficial for us when taken in the right quantity. That is why the World Health Organization, i.e. it is advised to eat 1 or 2 portions of fish a week. This is because fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, which proves to be very effective for weight loss, for our skin, hair, and bonus. It also keeps many types of serious diseases away. Especially the risk of heart attack is reduced. However, so much importance is given to fish for omega-3, because the omega-3 fatty acids obtained from fish are many times better than the omega-3 obtained from plants. But there are also disadvantages, which we will discuss later. Before that, let us know the answer to the question 4, which we are eagerly waiting, that how is fish oil made in a factory? So let us tell you that making fish oil starts from rivers or then by catching fishes from the sea. Such fishes contain oil in abundance like herring, tuna, anchovies, and mackerel, etc. Here, the fish oil manufacturers first buy these fishes from the fishermen, which are then transported in big trucks at a decent temperature. After keeping them so that they do not get spoiled, they are brought to the factory, after which they are unloaded here. Then all these fish are cleaned thoroughly and boiled in water at a temperature of 90 to 95 ADEG for 15 to 20 minutes. Now all the fishes, which have become a little soft, are put in a screw-like machine. Now, as you can understand from the name of the machine, it helps in pressing the fishes properly, so this happens due to the press. This means that the water present in the fish gets separated and the remaining part is taken out in a separate section, which is called a kind of cake. It is sent to the factory for further drying with the help of conveyor. It is further dried at about 75 degrees. Now, after this process, the dried fish powder is sent to a grinder, which finally grinds it as per the requirement. Now, the reason for going through all these processes is it becomes very hot, due to which it is cooled at room temperature for some time. Now, after it gets cooled, it is sent to the separation section where essential and non-essential particles are separated. During this, the essential particles are separated. The quality is also checked well. The responsibility of checking the quality rests with the most experienced and responsible people of the factory, because fish oil is recommended not only to sportsmen and gym goers, but also to the common people, hence the small pearl workers. It is taken very seriously, and during the production itself, all the workers are immediately rectified. Now comes the turn of the liquid, which was initially separated from its pressing machine. The liquid is first filtered so that the solid particles are removed. Whatever is left in it should also be separated. After this filter liquid is first sent to a heated tank and then to the accent review tank, where the process of separating protein water and oil from this liquid is done. Now, the protein water, which is removed from the liquid. It is treated with different enzymes, and then this liquid is sent to a fully computerized machine. The soluble solution that we have left contains 35 to 40% protein. So now, after these processes, the oil is sent to the encapsulation area, where capsules made of gel are prepared, and for that it is bathed in a special type of liquid, which makes the soft gel. Now, at first, the soft gel is very loose, but then, when the oil in it is slowly removed, it becomes hard, and then its capsules are picked up and left for a good amount of time to enjoy. Now, after this, the machine starts counting these capsules, along with it also checks their quality. The interesting thing is that in the fish oil manufacturing factory, About 50 million fish oil capsules are made in a day. After passing the quality check on every scale, the fish oil is named according to the grade, such as refined fish oil, sulfited fish oil, and winter fish oil, after which finally comes the turn of packing the capsules into bottles, for which laborious bottles are brought under a nozzle through a conveyor from where they are counted. The number of capsules keeps falling in the bottle, and then after all the stock is exhausted in the factory, they are sent to the nearest pharmacy shop. Now, a person is advised to consume fish oil capsules between 250 to 500 milliliters only. But if you get impressed by its benefits and consume it excessively, then you may face some side effects like bleeding, rashes on the body, diarrhea, indigestion, or vomiting. Hence, fish oil should be taken daily. Do consult your doctor once for how much and when to eat it, so that this healthy thing does not prove to be unhealthy for you. So friends, this video of fish oil is made in factory ends here. You felt like this? Do tell us in the comment section, and also do not forget to share this video with your friends and like the video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then do that, and also press the bell icon. Do not forget to press like so that our video reaches you as soon as possible.